This powerful diagnostic tool lets everyday drivers and DIY mechanics read engine codes, scan ABS and airbag systems, check transmission issues, and monitor live data, all from one compact device. In today's video, we'll take a closer look at the FOXWELL NT604 Elite to see what it can do, its pros and cons, and whether it's worth buying for your garage. Let's dive in. Product features. The FOXWELL NT604 Elite is designed to be simple, powerful, and ready to use right out of the box. First, it's a 5-in-1 diagnostic scanner, which means it can scan multiple vehicle systems, including engine, ABS anti-lock braking system, SRS airbag system, transmission system, and standard OBD2 diagnostics. This is extremely useful because many basic scanners only read engine codes, but this one goes much deeper into your car's systems. And unlike many scanners that require software installation first, the NT604 Elite comes with the latest software already installed, meaning it works immediately after plugging it in. Plus, it includes a solid protective carrying case, which keeps the tool safe when you're storing it in your garage or toolbox. Easy to use even for beginners. Scans multiple systems: engine, ABS, SRS, transmission. VIN automatically identifies your vehicle. Supports 60+ car brands worldwide. Live data monitoring and code explanations. Comes with a durable carrying case. Lifetime software updates. Cons. It's a diagnostic tool only, not a repair tool. It does not support service resets like oil reset, battery registration, or throttle relearn. Some features depend on vehicle compatibility. Still, for its price range, it offers very strong diagnostic capabilities. Overall review. Overall, the FOXWELL NT604 Elite is a great diagnostic scanner for car owners and DIY mechanics. If you want a tool that can quickly identify problems in your engine, ABS, airbag, or transmission system, this scanner does the job without needing expensive dealership visits.